Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can insert hyperlinks to your notes on Evernote in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, what you want to do is head over to Evernote and to your note. I will go with this one here. Start a new line here in the text field. And all you need to do is enter your text, like let me go with example text, highlight it, and after that use that button here, insert link. You will see the highlighted text here. So here you can select or enter the link, the hyperlink. So let me go with Google.com for the sake of this tutorial. Paste it here. You may remove it if you like by clicking into that X button. Confirm by clicking into apply, and that's it. That's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.